Problems. Everyone's got them. Today, we're going to learn about problems and how to deal with them. You might be thinking, well, everything's cool at the moment. I don't have any problems to deal with. Well, that's great, but I bet you do have problems that you deal with every single day, often without noticing. Deciding what lunch to buy for the day or what present to get for a friend are simple day-to-day problems that we have to solve. Problems come in all different sizes. World-sized problems like war and global warming, local social problems like crime and unemployment, and then there are the personal problems that we all experience, like disagreements with friends and family, girlfriend and boyfriend issues, stress of exams, and locking your keys in the car. The thing about dealing with a problem is that it's really good to think about the issue in a structured way. That way you make a well thought out decision. And you'll find that it's pretty easy because there are a few simple steps that you can take. The first step is, ask yourself, what exactly is the problem?
Well, all my friends started smoking because they think it's cool, but they sort of want me to smoke as well. I tried it and I didn't like it, but I feel really different and left out if I don't smoke with them.
So that's a problem. The next step is to make a list of all the possible solutions to the problem that you can think of, even if they're a little bit out there. So step 2, ask, what are my options?
Well, I could just go along and smoke with them. I could lie and say I'm allergic to tobacco. I could not be friends with them anymore, or I could just tell them I just really don't like smoking.
Good work. Now, you have to think about what would happen if you lived out each of your options. Think about what effect each choice would have on you and other people right away and in the future. So in other words, step 3, ask, what are the possible consequences?
Well, if I smoke with them, I won't be happy with myself and I'll feel sick. If I leave the group, then I won't have to smoke anymore, but I won't have any friends, hey? And if I tell them I just don't like it, well then, at least I'll know how I feel, but they might accept it, but they might think I'm a dag and not want to hang out with me.
So, after weighing up all the possible solutions and their consequences, you have to choose what solution you think works best. So in other words, step 4, make a decision.
Well, I thought about it and I decided I really didn't like smoking and I didn't want to lose my friends either. So I decided to go and tell them how I felt. I was pretty nervous, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. They paid out a bit of me at first, but they don't pressure me anymore. And we still go out together.
And that was the last step, do and review. Now, every problem is different and there's never a guarantee that things will turn out right. But if you follow these 5 steps, at least you'll have given it your best shot. And we all learn from the things that we do, even if we make mistakes. And the more you practice these 5 steps, the better you'll get at solving all types of different problems, big and small.
Okay, I'll catch you all later, eh?
See you, Ryan.
See ya.
Bye. Have you met Ryan's friend Nicholas? I wonder who he's asked to the dance. He is such a babe.
No, he's alright. I like Jacob better.
Jacob Blair is hot.
Hi guys.
Hi Haley, how you going?
Good. I'll see you after school.